Scoreboard Baby is about the University of Washington football team in the year 2000, the early 2000s, and the different scandals that were happening on the football team, especially with players committing different crimes and being charged for a variety of things and still being allowed to play. I think especially this book really benefits high school students because it talks about college, it talks about athletics, two things that these students are really interested at this time in their life, and it gets them really thinking about issues that they might encounter in college and just being aware of all the different things that are going on and how these situations should be handled. We reached out to the high school and asked if we wanted to, collaborate with this project and bring the campus reads out to the high school just to form a greater community from the college to the high school. With having a year of cross-country and track and field experience at UW-Platteville and being an English education major, this has been a great experience getting to work in the high school here because I want to be a middle school or high school English teacher and reaching out to the students and building a community between the college and the high school and getting to know the students and talking about books with them since reading is something I love to do.